Hey everyone, in this video we're going to go over some export settings in Canva. Alright, so here is our new project. We will grab an image to put in here. Alright, we'll make something for Valentine's Day since that's coming up soon. So if we're happy with this and we want to export it, we're going to go up to the right hand side and click on Share. And then here is where we will have all of our export settings. So if you go down, you can see you can copy a link, you can have Canva print something for you, you can share it, and then also you can download it. So if we want to go to the download, now this is where we have all of our different options. So we can have a picture, PDF file, SVG file. Depends on what you're using your project for. Select the best one that works for you. And then you can make it bigger or smaller. So as you can see, as we slide this over, the pixels go up. And then we can make a transparent background, compress the file. And then as soon as you have all of your settings that you like, you just hit download. You can also save the settings for next time, which is very helpful. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.